Workshop Screen Printing. Hey, this is Tom with the Father's Workshop Screen Printing, and we are here having to do a re-edit. You say, what's a re-edit? Well, we happen to see that there was a copyright violation on one of our videos. So, and I say one of our videos, we don't have it two. So we just started doing this. But what happened, I was playing the radio in the background, and the radio was playing some songs which is copyrighted. Well, I didn't do it on purpose. It wasn't supposed to be really part of the video. It was just something I was listening to and doing a video at the same time. So if you're doing that, don't do it. They'll get you on a copyright violation, and I mean, they don't throw you in jail and take off your video, but they will not monetize it and things like that. So if you're going to try to make money off of it, they won't do it because you've violated copyright, rights and things like that. So. Just to get back to it, this video actually has to do with our flash dryer that we had got in off eBay. We paid $108 for it plus tax. So by the time you look at it, we got it in, and it was supposed to be inexpensive. We work on a budget just like everybody else out there. Now we're sure that you try to get what you can. You want something inexpensive, but you want something that's going to work. Now when I had gone and got this off the FedEx truck, it had rattling in it and all that stuff, and when you take a box off the FedEx truck and it's rattling, it's got screws and bolts and nuts. It was, when I unveiled this thing and got inside the box, I actually found that there was nuts and bolts everywhere. It was all inside the flash dryer. Not only that, but the styrofoam that was on the inside was all broken up so bad it was inside the flash dryer around the heating element and all that thing. So when it gets like that, you worry about fire. So I had to take the whole thing apart, clean it up. It was a mess. So stay tuned here. Now, if you got any comments, put them down below there. The comment box, I'm sure, is down there somewhere. Down along here somewhere. I don't know where, but it's down there somewhere. And leave a comment. If you got a question, give me a question. But we do t-shirts, we do sublimation on cups, different things like that. And we try to stay busy. But we had to get this flash dryer, and we did this video just for that purpose, to show you what we found and putting it together. And it's kind of fast and quick to get through because you've only got so much time here to do it. Fixing to start the video, fixing to show you the unboxing on the flash dryer, and just look at it and see what you think. Anyways, here it goes. Bzzz. here's the flash dryer. It's all put together, and it's right here, and it's pretty good size. It's almost big as my shop. Yeah. So that means I'm gonna have to make room. I'm gonna take the couch out of here and things like that. Plus we're gonna take this wall out. We're gonna expand this room, go back out probably 12, 15 feet, somewhere like that, and get the shop bigger because it's expanding. So why not just expand the whole building and get it done? And but anyways, it's good to have this flash dryer. This flash dryer is really gonna help us, I think. And because we want to be able to flash for so much time and be able to get the ink flash so we can overlay some more ink on it. And I don't like to use no hair dryer or heat gun and things like that. Why not just use a flash dryer? Wouldn't that be the best way to do it? So anyways, we've got it, and let's take a quick look here at this flash dryer. Let's take a look at the flash dryer. Well, look at that. Let's see. So if we cut this thing on, we set the temperature. So we can set the temperature on whatever it is. That's great. Then it's got a light here showing that it's on. We got on and off switch. That's good. I like that. Well, look here, it's got a handle. We can move it in and out of the way. So it looks nice. We haven't used it. I went ahead and cut it back off. There was no sense in getting it all the way hot. I have actually already checked it out since how we had to re-edit this whole film. Even when we had done the last time, it had music playing in the background, so we're having to redo everything. But anyways, there we go. That temperature came on, and it'll work. So we're glad to have that. Anyways, there we go. We've got the flash dryer. It's put together. It works. I've already tried it out, and so we're happy about that. We're also happy about, we just got in some more plastisol inks. We got the fluorescent colors. We got the 4 fluorescents. The green, orange, was it the green, orange, pink? Green, orange, pink, and there's another color, pink, green, orange, pink. Those fluorescent colors are going to look good on those t-shirts when you put them out. You think the plastisols really look good with the other colors, but man, when you put those fluorescent colors on there, that thing is going to pop. I mean, it's going to really look good, especially if you've got some stupid saying on there, you know, or some funny or silly thing. It's going to really show up good. So that's what I like about it. So anyways, I got those colors in. I'm not opening that yet. I'll do that on our next video, and maybe we'll do some things and show you the difference in those colors. I also got some reducer because when I did my second video, we did the Bulldog on the United States Marine Corps Semper Fi t-shirt, and the paint was, the plastic was really thick, and it's way too thick. And I didn't know what to do, so I found out I need some reducer. So I got some reducer. It just came in. I'm going to reduce that down, get that plastic, get that ink where it needs to be, of the consistency that's easy to work with. But we're gonna look at these fluorescent colors, and we're gonna work with those some, and let's just see how those fluorescent colors really look. And you'll need to order some of those. If you don't have fluorescent colors, you gotta have fluorescent colors. You say, well, those are just for work shirts. No, they're not. Man, if you've got words you're putting on the back of a shirt, they'll really pop when you put those. So this is Tom with the Father's Workshop Screen Printing, and that's all for today. And hey, Lord bless. Give me a high five.